Hello friends and hello my students. Welcome you all again to my YouTube channel. I am Yogaraj Joshi from Baroda High School ONGC Secondary Section. Today's my subject is Sanskrit of Standard 9th English Medium and today we will continue chapter number 7 Samhati Karya Sadhika. So let's start learning. Samhati Karya Sadhika, unity accomplishes the task. In last video, we have started chapter number 7, Samhati Karya Sadhika. We have learned that this lesson is taken from Hitopadesha. We have learned about Hitopadesha and Panchatantra. There are the collection of Sanskrit stories which providing us moral life lessons. In the lesson, we have seen that there was a silk cotton tree at the bank of river Godavari. Many birds migrated from various countries and stayed there. Among them, there was one crow named Lagupatnaka. One day, he saw a hunter looking like second Yamraj, and he thought something bad will going to happen. After thinking, he was uneasy and happy. So today we will continue remaining paragraph. So let's start learning. First I will read this paragraph and after that I will translate word to word meaning and whole translation with sandhi words and compound words. अथ तेन व्याधेन तण्डुलकणान् विकीर्य जालं विस्तरणं स च वृक्षस्य पृष्ठभागे प्रच्छन्नो भूत्वा अतिष्ठत् तस्मिन् एव काले चित्रग्रीवनामा कपोतराजः परिवारेण सह गगने व्यसर्पत् भूमौ विकीर्णान् तण्डुलकणान् दृष्ट्वा कपोताः लुब्धाः अभवन् ततः स कपोतराजः तण्डुलकणलुब्धान् कपोतान् अकथयत् कुतोऽत्र निर्जने वने तण्डुलकणानां सम्भवः कुतः अत्र निर्जने वने तण्डुलकणानां सम्भवः तन्निरूप्यतां तावत् भद्रमिदं न पश्यामि भद्रम् इदं न पश्यामि अनेन तण्डुलकणलोभेन अस्माकं महत् अनिष्टम् अपि भवितुम् अर्हति अस्माकं महत् अनिष्टम् अपि भवितुम् अर्हति अतः सर्वथा अविचारितं कर्म न कर्तव्यम् यतः so let's see the first which sandhi words. First sandhi word is tasmin eva and we will discuss this word, it becomes tasmin plus eva. Next is kutotra, kutah plus atra. Next is tan nirupyatam and we will discuss this word, it becomes tat plus nirupyatam, tan nirupyatam. Vyanjan sandhi word भद्रमिदं, भद्रम plus idam. Next is mahad anishtam api, mahad anishtam api and we will discuss this word, it becomes mahad plus anishtam plus api. Next is bhavitum arhati and we will discuss this word, it becomes bhavitum plus arhati. Let's see the words which are compound words. Tandul Kanan and we will discuss this word, it becomes Tandulasya Kanaha Tan Sashti Tatpurus Samal because Tandulasya Kanaha Tandul means rice and Kanaha means grains. Tandulasya Kanaha of grains of Tandul means rice. Tan Sashti Tatpurus Samas. Next is Prushtabhage. Prushtabhage means पृष्ठस्य भागः तस्मिन् पृष्ठभागे पृष्ठस्य भागः स्य is a suffix of षष्ठी तत्पुरुषम षष्ठी विभक्ति singular पृष्ठभाग पृष्ठभागे पृष्ठस्य भागः षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समास behind backside कपोतराजः this one is षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समास plural, because kapotanam, kapot means pigeons, doves, and kapotanam means many pigeons king. Okay, the king of pigeons. Kapotanam Rajah means Kapot Rajah. Nam is the suffix of Sashti Vibhakti plural, like Ramanam, Balakanam, Pustakanam, Phalanam, etc. Kapotanam Raja Sashti Tatpurusha Samas. Next is Tandulkana Lubdhan. Tandulkana Lubdhan, and we will listen this word. It becomes Tandulkanaihi Lubdhaha. Tandulkana Lubdhaha. Tan Trutiya Tatpurush Samas. Aihi is the suffix of Trutiya Vibhakti plural, like Ramehi, Balakehi, Pustakehi, Hastehi, okay, etc. Tandulkaraihi, and we will translate this one. We will get the answer by, okay, aihi तृतीय विभक्ति इंस्ट्रूमेंटल केस है, उसमें जो इंग्लिश जो उसके सफिक्स वर्ड है वो है बाय एंड विथ. So here by is a by. When we will translate this word, we will get answer by, like answer is Tandulkaraihi luptaha, tempted by rice grains. Tandulkana luptaha tritiya tatpurushamass. Next is Tandulkana lobhena. Okay, this word also Sashti tatpurushamass, because here nam, here also nam and nam. Tandulkanam lobha, Tandulkana lobha, tena means Sashti tatpurushamass. Nam is a plural form. Let's see the meaning of these words. Here first word is atha. Atha means and then. Tena vyadena. Next word is tena vyadena means by hunter. Tena vyadena. Uh, okay. Tena vyadena. This word is masculine word. Third case singular. Here ena suffix is added, and we will translate this word. Then we get the answer by the hunter. Ena suffix is tena. Ena suffix is tritiya vibhakti singular means by the hunter. Main word is vyadaha. Okay, main word is vyadaha, and here ena suffix word is added, like Ramena, Balakena, Pustakena, Hastena. Hasta means hand, and by hand. Okay, Hastena means by hand. इस तरह से यहाँ पे व्याधेना means by the hunter. Next is Tandul Kanan. Tandul means rice, and Kanan means grains. Tandul Kanan. Vikiria means scattering, scattering. Jalam means net. Vistaranam is spreading. Vistaranam is spreading. Let's see the whole translation of this line. Now that hunter scattering the rice grains and spreading the net. Next one is sa. Sa means he, that hunter. Cha means and. Vrukshasya means vruksha means tree, and sya is the suffix word is Sashti Tatpurushamas means of tree. पृष्ठस्य भागे. पृष्ठस्य means behind the tree. वृक्षस्य पृष्ठभागे. प्रच्छन्न भूत्वा. प्रच्छन्न means hidden, and bhutva means being. Prachanna means hidden, and bhutva means being. Prachanna bhutva means being hidden. Atishtat means stood. This past tense word. This word is past tense word. Remember that the prefix a is used before the root. Okay, so let's see the translation of this line. Hiding himself, he stood behind the tree. Next one is tasmin eva kale. Tasmin plus eva kale means at that time. Chitragriva Nama. Chitragriv Nama named Chitragriv. Chitragriv is a Kapotraj. This word is compound word. Chitragriv Nama Kapotraja. Kapotraja means Kapotanam Raja, Kapotraja. Like Ramanam, Balkanam, Kapotanam Raja, Kapotraja. Like Balkanam, Pustakanam. Here, now this suffix word is used Sasti Vibhakti Tatpurushamas. Kapotraja means the king of doves, pigeons. Next one is Parivarena Saha. Parivarena Saha means with family. Here, family means followers. Here, family means followers. Okay. Gagane. Gagane means in the sky. Gagan. Main word is Gagan and a suffix of Saptami Vibhakti singular. Means locative case. Saptami Vibhakti locative case singular. Means like Rame, Palake, Pustake. In the Gagane. In the sky. Vyasarpat. Vyasarpat means was going. Was going. Was flying. Let's see the translation of this line. At that time, the king of dove pigeons named Chitragrivaha was flying in the sky with his family. Next one is Bhumo. Bhumo on the ground. Here, main word is Bhumi. E ending feminine word, locative case, singular. Vikirnan. Vikirnan means scattered, spread. Spread, scattered, scattering rice grains. Okay, scattered. Tandul kanan, rice grains. Društva. Tandul kanan means rice grain. Okay, Tandul kanan. Vikarnan Tandul kanan društva. Tandul kanaha means rice grains. Tandul kanan društva means having seen. Okay, kapotaha. Kapotaha means pigeons, doves. Okay, pigeons, doves are lubdha. Lubdha means tempted, greedy, tempted. Abhavan. Here, abhavan means became. If here only one kabutar, only one pigeon, so abhavat, and many kabutars, so here abhavan is used. Okay, abhavan is the past tense form. Bhu dhatu means root of bhu bhava. Abhavan means became. Let's see the translation of this line. Having seen the scattered rice grains on the ground, all the doves are became tempted, greedy. Next one is tataha. Tataha means then. Sa means that. Sa means he, that. Kapotrajaha. Kapotraja is the king of pigeons. Kapotanam Raja. Kapotraja. Sashti Tatpurus Samas. Kapotraja means the king of pigeons. Tandul Kanalubdhan. Tandul Kanalubdhan we were discussed about in compound word. Tandul Kanan Lubdhan. Tandul Kanehi Lubdhaha. Trutiya Tatpurush Samas. Okay, tempted by rice grain. Lubdhan. Tandul Kana Lubdhan. Tandul Kanehi Lubdhaha. Tandul Kana Lubdhan is tempted by rice grains. Trutiya Tatpurush Samas. Kapotan. Kapotan is two pigeons. Two pigeons. Like Raman, Kapotan, like Raman, Balakan, Pustakan, etc. Here Raman, Kapotaha, Kapoto, Kapotaha, Kapotam, Kapoto, Kapotan. Like Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Raman. इस तरह से Kapotan is two pigeons. Okay. like Raman, Akaran pulling Dvivachan, Dvitiya Vibhakti is second case plural. Two doves, Akathayat, Akathayat. This word is past tense verb. This word is past tense verb. Main root is Katha. Main root is Katha. Okay. Main root is Katha. Uh, Main root is Katha. Here, main root is Katha. Is prefix. Prefix means upsarga. And prefix always comes before root. Prefix is added before root and Vikaran Pratyay also. Vikaran Pratyay is aya. Uh, कथ धातु जो है वो टेंथ गण का है। टेंथ गण का धातु है तो टेंथ गण का धातु का विकरण प्रत्यय कौन सा है? अय। तो कथय, अकथय एंड अकथय एंड past tense suffix is the. Half the is past tense plural. Past tense singular third person singular the. अकथयत past tense परस्मैपद third person singular. अकथयत means said. Okay, let's see the translation. Then that king of doves told to all doves who tempted by rice grains. Next is kutotra. Kutotra. This word is sandhi word. Okay, and we will disjoin this word. It becomes kutaha plus atra kutotra. Kutaha plus atra kutotra. Here first is whenever a whenever later a will come after visarga. Whenever later a come after visarga. Okay, after visarga, then the sign of visarga will disappear and a will become okay. O and when a will become o when visarg after visarg uh, a come a, then a will become o. And when a or o followed by a, the later merge into the former and the sign avagra. The sign is avagra applied. Kutah means from where. Kutah means from where, and atra means here. Atra means here and tatra means there. Atra means here. Nirjane vane means in deserted forest. The word is case ending word, locative case, Saptami Vibhakti, vane. Here main word is vana and a is the suffix of Saptami Vibhakti, singular, means in deserted forest. Tandul Kanana means of rice grains. Sambhava, Katham Sambhava, Sambhava means possibility. How to possibility in deserted forest? Okay, the Kapod Raja, Chitragriha said to all those who tempted by rice grains, say how to possible in deserted forest. Tandul Kanana means rice grains. Tan Nirupyatam. This word is Sandhi word, and when it will disjoin, it becomes Tat plus Nirupyatam. Tat Nirupyatam means decide about it. Tat Nirupyatam means that decide about it. Tavat. Tavat means that much. Then Tavat means also then also. So think well. Let's see the whole translation of this line. How the possibility of rice grains in the deserted forest. So think well it. Bhadram idam. This word is Sandhi word. When we will disjoin this word, it becomes Bhadram plus idam, Bhadram idam. Bhadram means good, well, beneficial. Bhadram means good, beneficial. Idam means this. This word is using for neuter word. Okay, idam is this word is used for using for neuter word. No means not. No means not. Pashyami. Okay, pashyami. This pashyami. This verb form is present tense. Parasmay pad. First person singular. Me vaha maha. Sita me vaha pashyami. Me is the suffix of first person singular. Present tense. First person singular. Parasmay pad. See. I see. Means I see. I don't see. Good. Anena. Anena means by this. Tandul Kanalobena. Tandul Kanalobena means by the greed of rice grains. Asmakam. Asmakam is our. Asmat Shabda. This word is plural. This word is pronoun word. Asmat Shabda. Sashti Vibhakti plural. Asmakam Desha Bharat Desha is our country, India. Our country is India. Plural. Mahad Anishtam Api. Mahad Anishtam. This word is Sandhi word. And we will listen this word. It becomes Mahad plus Anishtam plus Api. Mahad means big, very. Anishtam. Anishtam is undesirable. Api. Api means also even undesirable this mean bad bhavitum arhati, and we will just on this word it becomes bhavitum plus arhati, this it may turn out is possible to be. Let's see the translation of this line. It may bear to us by the greed of this rice grains. Ataha. Ataha means so. Sarvatha means in all respect. Sarvatha means always, in all respect. Avicharitam means without thinking. Without thinking. Karma means work. Okay, thoughtless act. Avicharitam karma means thoughtless act. Na kartavyam means should not be done. Okay, so let's see the translation of this line. So, without thinking, we should not do any work. Yataha means as. Sujirnam annam suvichakshana sutah. Sujirnam annam suvichakshana sutah. Shushasita Sri Nrupati Susevita. Suchintya choktam suvichare yatkrutam. Sudirghakale pina yati vikriya. Okay, let's see the meaning of this word. Sujirnam is digestible. Well digestible. Annam means food. Suvichakshana means very genius. Sutaha means son. Okay, Suvichakshana Sutaha means very genius son. Uh, Next word is Sushasita means well managed. Shrihi means wealth. Dhana, Lakshmi. Nrupati, Shri means wealth. Dhanam. And Sushasita means well managed. Susevita means well served. Nrupati means king. Okay, Nrupati means king. Nrupati means king. Next is Suchintya. Suchintya means well. Having thought well. Next is Choktam. and we will discuss this word become cha. Cha means and. Ukta means words. Suvicharya. Suvicharya means after proper thinking. Yat krutam. Yat krutam is a work done. Sudirghakale api. Sudirghakala means during the long period of time. Nayati. Nayati means does not. Vikriyam. Vikriyam means change, spoil. Well digestible food, very genius son, well managed wealth, well served king, having thought well, having thoughtful, having thought well, and after proper thinking and words, a work done by after proper thinking during the long period of time does not spoil. Okay, let's see. The next is एतत् वचनं श्रुत्वा कश्चित् कपोतः सदर्पम् अवदत् आहा किमेव उच्यते किम एव मुच्यते. Let's see the meaning of this line. Tat vachanam. Tat means that and vachanam means words. Tat vachanam. Next is uh, Shrutva. Shrutva means twa is sambandha kutkrudan. Shrutva is the twa shru main word and twa is the uh, suffix of sambandha bhut krudant. Shrutva means having listened. Sadarpam avadat. Sadarpam. Sa means feet. Darpa means proudly. Avadat. This word is Sadhi word. When we will discern this word, it becomes Sadarpam Avadat. And Sadarpam means proud. Sa means wheat. And proud. Darpam is proud. And with proud. Avadat means said. Avadat. Here also main root is Vada. And the sign of is past tense. वध धातु जो है वो 10th गण में फर्स्ट गण का धातु है यानी वध है वो पहले गण का धातु है तो उसका विकरण प्रत्यय अ है और उसका पास्ट टेंस का जो है थर्ड पर्सन अवदत सदर्पम अवदत अपिजन्स Apijan avadat means said. Ta is the singular suffix of past tense. The past tense third person singular verb avadat. Aha means oh. Avadat means said. Aha means oh. Kim eva uchyate. This word is sandhi word, and we will distinguish this become kim plus eva uchyate. Kim means why. And uchyate means why do you say like this? Uchyate means do you say this? Okay. So why do you say like this? Next one is vruddhana. Vruddhana. Okay. After having listened the words kaschit kapotah avadat. Kaschit means some some pigeon. Any pigeons say, "Oh, why do you say like this?" So, वृद्धानां वचनं ग्राह्यम् आपत्काले उपस्थिते सर्वत्रैव विचारेण भोजनेऽप्यप्रवर्तनम्. Vruddhana means of old people. Vachanam means words. Grahyam means should be accepted. Apatkale means apatkalah tasmin षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समास in the time of difficulty. In the time of difficulty, he means indeed. Upasthite means calamity comes. Words of old people should be accepted in the time of difficulty or calamity comes. सर्वत्रैव, सर्वत्र एव, सर्वत्रम एव, सर्वत्रैव. Everywhere, everywhere. Vichareण. Evam means in this way. Vichareण. Vichareణ means thinking. भोजनेप्य प्रवर्तनम. भोजने अपि प्रवर्तनम. भोजनेप्य प्रवर्तनम means not proceeding means action even in the case of eating food. Thinking this action cannot be done even for food. We can't do anything for getting food. Okay. Uktam cha. Next word is uktam cha means and. It is said that शंकाभिः सर्वम् आक्रांतम् अन्नं पानं च दुर्लभम् प्रवृत्तिः कुत्र कर्तव्या जीवितव्यं कथं नु वा. Shankaभिः means by doubts. Sarvam akrantam. Sarvam means everything is surrounded. Akrantam means surrounded. Means everything is surrounded by doubts. Annam means food. Panam means water. Chadurlabham. Chadurlabham means in and rare. Durlabh means rare. Everything is surrounded with doubts. The food has become rare. Pravati kutra kartavya. Where should we do work? Where should we do work? And katham jivitam katham nuva. Jivitavyam katham means how can we live our life? Okay, next is tasya tadvachanam shrutva सर्वे कपोताः तत्र जाले उपविशन् अनन्तरं ते सर्वे जालेन बद्धाः अभवन्. तस्य means of his. Tatvachanam means that words. Tat means that and vachanam means words. Shrutva. Here tva is the suffix of sambandhak bodhkrudan means having listened. Main root is shru and tva suffix is added. Shrutva sambandhak bodhkrudan. So remember very carefully remember this. Tva is the suffix of sambandhak bodhkrudan. Okay, and tum suffix is hetvat krudan. Shrutva means having listened. Sarve kapotaha means all doves are. Tatra means there. There. Jale means in the net. Tatra means there. Jale means in the net. Saptami vibhakti singular. Upavishan means sat down. Sat down. This word is past tense verb. Third person plural. Sat down. Having listened the words of his, all the doves sat down there in the net. Anantaram means after then, means meanwhile. Te means they. Here te is the pronoun word plural form. Sahatau te prathama. Sah tau te prathama. Sah te is the te means te. Sah means he. Sah tau means both and te means they all. Sah means he. Tau means they both and te means they all. Te. Jalena Survey means all. Jalena means by the net. Baddha Jalena means by the net and Baddha means tempted. Okay, uh, tempted by. After then, they all doves are tempted by the net. Okay, so we will stop here. In next video, we will discuss the remaining paragraphs and exercise. So thank you, students.